Warmer weather in Arizona brings people to the state's lakes and waterways for summer recreation. Many boat owners prepare their vessels for a season of water activities. These outings often involve alcoholic beverages, which can create serious legal risks if consumed while operating a boat. Arizona law makes it illegal to operate motorized watercraft while impaired by alcohol or drugs. This includes boats, jet skis, wave runners, sea-doos, and similar personal watercraft. You can face criminal charges if caught operating these vessels while intoxicated. The state refers to this offense as boating under the influence, or OUI. The penalties mirror those of standard drunk driving charges. Law enforcement agencies actively patrol Arizona's waterways to enforce these regulations and keep boaters safe. If law enforcement stops you at a checkpoint on the water, they might ask you to complete a field sobriety test on your boat. Performing balance tests on a moving vessel creates unfair conditions that could make you appear impaired, even when you are not. You can decline the field sobriety test. Consider requesting a breathalyzer or blood test instead, as these provide more accurate results. Your legal protections include the right to stay silent during questioning, the right to request legal representation, the right to speak with an attorney before taking tests. You may ask for a lawyer before submitting to chemical testing. However, this request cannot cause excessive delays in collecting your breath or blood sample. Understanding these protections helps you make informed decisions if stopped by authorities while operating a watercraft. Law enforcement takes water safety seriously in Arizona. You can expect to encounter checkpoints on the state's lakes and rivers during peak boating season. Arizona Game and Fish Department wardens and county sheriff marine units increase their presence from March through September. These are the busiest months for water recreation. You'll find officers conducting regular patrols and setting up checkpoints on popular bodies of water. You should be prepared for checkpoints if you boat on Lake Havasu Bartlett. Lake Pleasant Saguaro, Lake Arizona Game, and Fish Department wardens have full peace officer status. They can stop your boat, conduct tests, issue citations, and make arrests just like police officers. County Sheriff Marine units also patrol these waters with the same authority. These checkpoints aim to keep people safe during activities like water skiing, tubing, and wakeboarding when families spend time on the water. If you get arrested for operating a watercraft while intoxicated, the consequences depend on your blood alcohol content and how many times you have been convicted before. The penalties increase significantly for repeat offenses. Your second extreme OUI requires 4 times the minimum jail sentence compared to your first offense. You cannot avoid all jail time even if portions get suspended. If you face OUI charges in Arizona, working with a defense lawyer is critical. The legal team at Phoenix DUI Lawyer has handled cases throughout Arizona and understands boating DUI laws. Our attorneys focus on reducing penalties or getting charges dismissed when possible. We provide case review and legal analysis, defense strategy development, court representation, negotiation with prosecutors. Contact the Phoenix DUI Lawyer criminal law team at 602-900-9891 to review your case. We offer consultations to discuss your situation and available options.